In this video we will speak about nested conditions. What does it mean? It means that in one condition you can use another condition. So in this video I will show you some basic idea. Nothing special, nothing difficult. So for example, I will ask a user about some number, okay? So use a number and it will be integer, and I will ask only just like this, okay? So number, and give me a number, okay? And now I will start to evaluate the user number. So if user number is greater or equal 0, I will print something like the user number is greater or equal to 0, okay? Else, again, we will print something very similar. User number is less than 0. Okay, it makes sense. I hope this is not new for you. And but now I would like, if the user number is greater or equal to 0, I would like to evaluate or continue in evaluation of the number. So I would like to put here another condition. But the problem is you can't write it like here, like this, okay? Because indent is very important. So everything here has to be in this condition, in this part of condition, if part. So we need to tab here, and we need to indent another if. So this if is in this if, okay? So it doesn't make sense to write it like this, okay? Because it means that this is one part, this is second part, and this is third part. It doesn't make sense, okay? So the if is inside of the first condition, okay? So if user number is equal, or so sorry, is greater or equal 100, so print again something. But the problem is, again, you need to indent, okay? Like if, and what is in this block, it's indent. So it's if, and what is in this block is indent as well, okay? So it means this print isn't part, sorry, like this, it would be a part of this condition, okay? So if user number is greater or equal 0, print this, something, print this, okay? But no, we need to indent, so it means this will be printed out only if this condition is true and this condition is true, okay? So the first we evaluate this condition, and after that, if it is true, we will print it and evaluate the second condition, okay? So we will print something like user number is greater or equal to 100, and we can put else here, but it's up to us. It isn't mandatory, it's up to us if we want to put it here, but I would like to. So I will print again user number is between 0 and 99, right? Okay, and that's it. So here is a very important concept when we nested one condition inside the another condition, and we can try if it works. So be careful when you indent these parts. So you can see that this is very similar to this, okay? But it's only indent, but it's absolutely the same concept, okay? So we will try. I will run the code and we will see. Just a second, I will clear it, run it. Number, for example, number 5. 5 is greater or equal to 0, it's true. 5 is between 0 and 99. Oh, that's true. I will put here 150. 150 greater or equal to 0, true. 150 is greater or equal to 100. Okay, great. And what about some minus number, for example, minus 10. Minus 10 is less than 0. Okay, that's it. Okay, great. It works. It works fine. So I hope now you understand how you nested one condition inside another condition.